Hello everyone, today I am Sambhavshi, student of class 10th Crescent Public School. Today I want to give you some introduction about the development and the terms related to it. The first question come in our mind is that what is development? It is a process in which someone or something grows, progress and become more advanced. The main difference between the development and the growth is that the growth can be negative and positive, but the development is always a positive change. Through this picture, I am explaining the example of development. We can see that in the previous time, the phone looked like the first phone. After some modification, the phone looks like the second phone, and after some other further modification, the phone look like the third phone. And in the present time, we are using the smartphones which look like the fourth phone. We move on the different aspect and the characteristics of development. Let us explain all these three by one by taking some examples. First, different people can have different developmental goals. Let us take an example. A boy who is unemployed and living in a city would dream for a good salary job and promotion, etc. And on the other hand, a boy who is living in a village and unemployed want a better job opportunity in the village and job security, etc. Second, the development for one is may not be development for other. Let us take an example. A dam is constructing near to a village for industrialists which were making this dam can be a development. But on the other hand, for the tribals who are living at that place is a destruction because they have to move from that place which affect their lives. The third aspect of development is that people looks at the mix of goals. Let us take an example. Before accepting a good job in a far place, we would try to consider many factors other than income, such as working hours, working atmosphere, facilities for family and security, etc. Now we move on to the new term income. Income is the most important component of development. Average income is the most important criteria to compare two or more than two countries or state. Here the question arises that what is average income? Average income is also known as per capita income. It can be calculated as total income of a country upon total population of a country. World Bank consider only the per capita income as the indicator of development, and the UNDP consider health, education level and the per capita income of the citizen as the indicator of development. Country with per capita income of US $12,236 per annum and above this are called the rich countries, and countries with the per capita income of US $1,005 per annum or less than it are called low income countries. India comes in the category of low middle income countries because its per capita income is just US $1,840 per annum. Now we all know that per capita income is the important criteria for comparing the countries. There are some another criteria also for comparing the countries like infant mortality rate and literacy rate and human development index and net attendance ratio, body mass index. I will discuss all these criteria in my next presentation. I hope you all like my presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.